Ensembling method or technique is a combining multiple models. What we are going to train to utilize multiple models, and we'll try to train particular data set that we basically have, and finally we try to get output. So in this, we basically have two techniques. One is bagging and the other one is boosting. So combining a set of different types of classifiers or different types of models. So in this particular thing, we have two methods. One is bagging and boosting. So bagging method, we also call this technique as bootstrap aggregation. Bootstrap aggregation. Why this name came, I'll explain. Coming to boosting, the method what we are using for bagging technique or bootstrap aggregation technique is random forest. And the methods what we are using for boosting techniques are AdaBoost, gradient boosting, extreme gradient boosting. So these are the three methods we use under boosting. Let us consider one data set D. Let me consider one data set D here. It has many columns and many rows. As we know, ensembling means we are going to combine. Ensembling means we are going to combine multiple models. Similarly, here we are creating many multiple base learns or base models like M1, M2, M3, and so on, Mn. For each and every model, we will just provide a sample of data sets dm dash. So here I'm going to provide a dash data set dm dash. And we have n data sets. Remember, always m should be less than n. That is, the sample what we are selecting here should be less than the data set. So m always should be less than n. That is, dm dash should be always less than a complete data set n. For the next model, what we will do, we again resample the records. Again, we will pick up some other sample of records and give them to the model 2. So again, I'm going to provide some data set M. Let me consider this is M2. Data set M2. Why M2? Both are having same size of data, but there are different values, different records in this. This is called row sampling with replacement. We are going to replace the sample with other records. So we call this as row sampling with replacement. So use this technique and provide sample to the next model. Same as here D dash M3. I'm considering this as M3. And so on D dash Mn. So that is, we will have some different models D dash M, where first model is not same with the second model. Second model is not same with the third model, like that. Some of the records may get repeated, but we are going to use row sampling with replacement. So for every model that we are providing the data, we'll be using this technique. So for third model again, I'm giving another set of dm dash, and for mk model, another set of dm and d dash mn. So once we give this particular data to the models, bagging means a group of models. Let it be any base learning model. This will be trained by any sample data. So M2 with D dash M2, MN with D dash MN. So all the models will be trained with the sample of the data which we provided with these are the samples. So all these are trained with the sampled data. After the training is done, suppose from my test data set, I give new data set and I'm trying to predict that. So I'm giving a new data set here. A new data set I'm going to provide. So for the prediction, suppose we consider binary classification, then first new data will go to the first one. New data will go to the first model. So when it goes to the model 1, if it gives output as 1, it gives output as 1, and after that it goes to the next model. If the next model gives output as 0, next model gives output as 1, and so on, the last model gives the 1. So here we apply voting classifier, means the majority voting is considered here. Most of them are giving output as 1. So we combine all these outputs. Since we are following majority vote, so 1 will be the output for this particular test data. So now as I use the term bootstrapping aggregation, I already said bagging is bootstrap aggregation method. We also call this bagging technique as bootstrap aggregation technique. So why this name comes? Where the rows sampling with replacement is done. Here sampling is done. How the sampling is done? Using row sampling with replacement method. This is called bootstrap. The sampling is done using row sampling with replacement. This is called bootstrap. Finally, by using voting classifier, we are going to combine the output. This is called aggregation. So we call this method as bootstrap aggregation. As sampling is done using bootstrap method, and the final output we are getting using aggregation method. So totally we call this as a bootstrap aggregation. Bagging is called as a bootstrap aggregation.